What's up guys, and the brother is here. We have the first look at the smallest brother in the Galaxy S11 lineup, the S11e. Again, this is all coming via on leaks. Yesterday we saw the Galaxy S11 and now it's the S11e. Now I've been looking at this for a while now and I have to say it looks pretty. Well, at least in the renders, it's kind of better than what we saw on the Galaxy S11 yesterday. Unlike the Galaxy S10e from last year, the S11e is rocking a fully similar design as the S11. We've got the punch hole towards the middle, edge screen, no more flat screen, the new bumpy Cadbury camera is there as well, no headphone jack, no Bixby key, no fingerprint reader on the side, which means it's probably getting the 3D in-display fingerprint scanner as well, and apparently it's rocking a much larger 6.3-inch display compared to the 5.8-inch of the S10e. We've got a triple camera setup on the back, which tells us that it's definitely not going to be exactly the same camera as the Galaxy S11 or the S11 Plus, cause over there we have almost 5 cameras, so here is just 3. My guess is that we might not see the 5x zoom on this one, but 108 megapixel has to be on all the models and the new bigger sensor, which is why we have this big camera look in the first place. Now most of you guys are not happy with the looks and everything, but I almost guarantee that your thoughts about the Galaxy S11 design will change. People said the same thing about the iPhone 11 Pro family, but then the camera was so good that everyone forgot about it. Samsung had to choose, and they obviously chose to bring innovative features rather than keeping the same looks. How do you expect them to have the same camera design as the Note 10 when they have to fit a bigger camera sensor, 5x optical zoom, probably another 2x zoom lens, along with 108 megapixel sensor? I mean, it's practically impossible to have that completely flushed in look. If you look at the P30 Pro or the Mi Note 10 Pro, these phones have big cameras with big camera bump, but at the same time amazing hardware. I mean, if you want the best camera, you gotta sacrifice the looks. And by the way, unlike Apple and Google, the front screen where you're mostly going to look at, it's pretty cutting edge. So once again, I'm gonna say this, I am more interested to see what this camera can bring to the table. I know it's not a pretty design, but you have to wait and see what it can do. The S11e will get a lot of features. It's probably going to have a higher refresh rate display as well. If Samsung priced this phone same as the iPhone 11, I think it's going to be a massive sale. Battery cell is also rumored to be coming at 3800 mAh. I think this phone has the potential to be the best Galaxy S11 model. Anyways, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Do you agree with what I said about the S11 family? And as of now, the S11 Plus is the only model we have yet to see in the leaks. But yeah, comment down below what you think, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.